Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I am gonna back up a little further so you can see me. So I wanted to show you guys the outfits that I'm wearing today for Valentine's Day, as well as a little makeup look. So for the first part of Valentine's Day, since it's not like a fancy part, plus it's really cold, like I will prove it to you. Currently, now it's 10 degrees outside, but it feels like -6. So I'm kind of struggling. I'm really cold, but I'm wearing this outfit. The top is this sweater. It is from Altered State. It's really cute. It's kind of cropped a little bit. It has like scallop on the edge. And then these jeans are just plain jeans. They don't have any rips in them at all. They are the curvy high-waisted jeans from American Eagle. They were out of the talls, so if you're tall, I recommend getting the tall because they're pretty short on me. And I'm 5'10". And then I'm wearing these boots, which are from DSW. I'll give you a better show. They're really, really cute. Yeah, so that's the outfit that I wore for the first part of Valentine's Day. I also want to show you guys another thing. Oh, I also for Valentine's Day got a little Hugs from Home care package, so I wanted to show you guys that. I gotta take a picture to send to my mom and my dad first, so they know that I got it. Wonderful. I'll just actually do this. Hi, Google. Okay, so I just got a note from my mom and dad. So it came with a strawberry Fanta. We have Twix, which are one of my favorite chocolates. Dove, chocolate, suckers, M&M's, super excited for that. Kisses. We have some Laffy Taffy, Sweet Tarts, and fruit snacks. Oh, and Twizzlers, so that's gonna be fun. My roommate Madeline also made me a Valentine's Day card last night, so that's cute of her. Oh, so cute. And then my mom sent me another Valentine's Day card. I got one yesterday, so I opened that yesterday. I'll actually show you guys the front of that. It's really cute. It's a nice little Valentine's Day card. And then this one, always have struggle opening them. Using my tweezers for this. Okay, that was actually a smart idea. I didn't think it would actually work. All right. So this one, nice little Valentine's Day card. Aw, thanks parents. That was really sweet. All right, now you're probably like, I don't care what you guys got. Now I'm gonna go on to the makeup part of my vlog. So I'm gonna take these eyebrows off and go on to do that because I didn't want my makeup to run off really fast.
Nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through. Straight to the top, I'm tumbling, my roller coaster's rumbling. Can you please explain why I'm acting out my brain? Oh, I've never been like this before. Oh, why did I wait so long to soar? I can't help
okay. Good job.
Every day my dreams are coming true. Yeah, you're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Yeah, baby, you're enchanting me with everything you do. You do.
I just finished my makeup, so I will show you guys how it looks. Take off my glasses, a little close up. What do you guys think? This is the first time using the Jeffree Star palette. You could definitely tell like a few times that I was like, oh no, I done messed up, so then I had to like really go in and buffer it out, but I think it turned out really good. Like, it's like a nice subtle look. Like, bro. Look. That's good. Now I just gotta straighten my hair and then do my lips and I'll be done with the part because I won't be putting on my Valentine's Day outfit until after work stress. Hi y'all, so I am just finishing up the vlog that I've been working on for the Valentine's Day Get Ready With Me. I'm at school right now. And I just wanted to say, I'm gonna insert some pictures from date that we went on, the double date that we went on from the night. It was really cute, so you guys can see my final look. I hope you guys liked the video and my makeup look. I tried really hard, kind of messed up. First time using Jeffree Star products, so it was a little messy. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys follow my social medias to see what I posted, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.